Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Laurentian Bank customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar. You need to type down laurentianbank.ca and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here. And from the bottom here, you need to go to this help and FAQs. And from the help and FAQs here, what you can do is you can scroll a bit down. And if you find any relatable topics here, you can also go to this personal banking here. And if you have any issues with the business banking, you can simply go to this business banking FAQ. And from here, what you can do is you can simply open any of the FAQs here, and after that, you'll get instruction. And if you need more help, what you can do is you can go back to the same page. And over here, select this contact us. And scroll a bit down here, and you can find this number for personal banking, business clients, or transaction helplines. And that is it. This is how you can contact Laurentian Bank customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.